In today's dailies, and we have spoken to the senator himself, that a group of armed men went to his home in rural Busia on Wednesday and essentially harassed and intimidated his family there, looking for him. And of course, this was preceded by another incident where some armed goons stoned his vehicle that was leaving Busia Law Courts just after recess. So many of our colleagues, whilst showing solidarity with the Senator of Busia, are not present within the precincts of Parliament. But as you can see, we are joined by colleagues who are available on this short notice to just register our support for the Senator of Busia. There have been a number of incidents affecting or involving the Senator for Busia in the recent past that has led to serious concern on our part as his colleagues. First, a few weeks ago, there was an incident where his vehicle was involved in an accident on the Busia-Kisumu highway. Whilst we might not draw direct parallels to any ill intention, we are just saying that it is becoming too much of a coincidence that there are things that are happening to the Senator of Busia that now need the attention of the security agencies in this country. Then, of course, we were told, or it was reported in today's dailies, and we have spoken to the Senator himself, that a group of armed men went to his home in rural Busia on Wednesday and essentially harassed and intimidated his family there, looking for him. And of course, this was preceded by another incident where some armed goons stoned his vehicle that was leaving Busia Law Courts just a few days ago. So we as members of the Senate are concerned about the safety and well-being of Senator Omtatah. And as his colleagues, we just want to request that the necessary agencies, the ones that are investigative in nature, should conduct a thorough investigation into all these happenings to assure the nation, to assure the Senate, to assure members of the public and those people who voted for Senator Omtatah that his life is not in danger in any way and that it is not related to any of the work he does, either as an activist or a senior member of the Senate, so that we can be assured that he is going to be okay. So we want to condemn in the strongest terms anyone who might want to attack any person for doing the job they were elected to do, including these senators here. Some of us are facing various challenges in our own counties. We are under attack from our own governors. They are sending goons to follow us around during our oversight tours. Yes. They are maligning our names in social media for just doing our jobs. And therefore, we want to state as senators, we will not be intimidated into abandoning a job that, or the role that we swore to undertake as elected representatives of the people, providing oversight and legislation and all the other roles. So I'm going to allow my colleagues to say something, and then, of course, I have seen Honorable Odinga, who is a member of Parliament from Busia as well. He might give more insights into what is going on in Busia. I thank you. Just move.
Thank you very much. To add on what he has said, I wish to call upon our Kenyan youth to refuse to be used by those in the executive who do not want to be subjected to the oversight. What happened to Omtatah, particularly after he went to court for a mention in a case where he has requested that the Busia County provide some information for him to be able to do his oversight work, is totally unacceptable. It is wrong to give him a job which includes oversighting the governor on behalf of the people of Busia, and then when he does that, he is attacked. I wish to say that we must respect the democracy that we have, which allows the different arms of government to do their job, which allows the citizens to even query what is happening by the executive, And I wish to call upon the executives, both at national and county levels, to be tolerant of the task of legislators in oversight and to allow us to be able to do this job. So if we call out any governor on what they're doing or call out the national government on what they're doing, I think it is wrong for those who are doing so to be intimidated through goons and other people. We therefore call upon the DCI, the Kenya Police, everybody including the NIS to actually do their job and investigate these cases and report to us on what's happening and ensure that Senator Omtatah has been provided with full security within his home and his relatives are not intimidated because of the work that he's doing. We also call upon the other governors to be tolerant, to just do their job. If you don't want to be your dirty linen to be brought out, just do your job in accordance with the law. But the senators will be allowed to do their job of oversight without being intimidated by governors. Thank you.